This is one of those train trucks in action, where it's a truck with train wheels, and it's gonna go down those tracks. This is a video from my channel. I think that's why the signal is set to yellow on the tower thing.
You're watching do his
Yeah.
thing.
I think he has to adjust the wheels and make sure that they're on the track. I don't know what the name of these things are. Maybe like a utility truck or something. And he has to manually put down the wheels. We're gonna maybe see the crossing go off, and then see him going down those tracks or down that way. Though that looks like the front runner tracks. It is. I think they usually go on the. Well, I don't know.
Keep watching.
It is. It's at 119. It's much darker on the camera.
Yeah. What are you doing like that?
Maybe we might see those go off because that might activate the rails and also the things that are on the rails, because way down that way and way down that way there's a thing that detects trains, and that thing will go off and go through a signal probably underground or under the tracks and then activate those.
There it goes.
Maybe. Perhaps they're inspecting the tracks for the front runner to make sure that there's nothing wrong.
Who knows?
The railroad crossing might go off when he goes down that way, because the truck it goes. Rail truck in action. I don't know the proper names of these things. I'll have to search it.
Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
You got to see something different.
Yep. I didn't even realize that at first it was one of those things.
I wondered what he was doing on one side of the road. I was like,
Going down that side of the road.
yeah, he went down that side to turn into it.
Left.
Like, what?
From London. I guess the road crossings did not activate. This is the end of the video.